Welcome to the Burger FAQ, and here are some recaps. We are Twitter Blue for Blessed Burgers, so we are food safe certified now. We are in the last lap of finalizing the trades for the 10k art NFTs, pushing the mainnet for Build a Burger, so that means more goodies to come. Oh, and I had a really good burger recently. And we got accepted into Build Space Season 3. So what exactly is Blessed Burgers? Blessed Burgers is the team that is building our flagship dApp called Build a Burger, which is the first lottery built entirely on Solana with a non-profit approach. So we aim to provide the best prize offerings in Web3 entertainment while being fun, provably fair, and community-centric. What is the problem now with the standard lottery model? Aside from being operationally inefficient, which would result in lower price offerings for players, it is also impossible to verify the fairness, and we have no choice but to completely trust centralized entities that are operating the lottery. And the state of it being a centralized monopoly also means that users cannot decide the ticket sales, the drawing mechanisms, the prize distributions. So the potential for user participation and community is highly limited and not explored, which is why we see immense potential for Web3 lottery. So what about regulatory and legal issues? We are in the process of understanding how we can be 100% legally compliant. Will the code be open source? Yes, so we are looking to make the code open source post-beta phase and post-code audits. So why did we choose Solana out of all the chains? Well, our journey started on Solana, and we think that the community is unparalleled, and we also love the transaction fees. But of course, being multi-chain is also a future possibility. How do you plan to be a sustainable non-profit? We will continue to build the Blessed Burgers brand as we springboard into other exciting ventures like IP, the future of multi-signature governance of lottery smart contracts, gamification, social incentive systems, etc. So definitely stay tuned.